How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet. And this week, you're in for a treat. It goes by the name of the Platinum Timberline. Why I love the Timberline and why it is something that is so unique is that it's a floor plan that you have yet to see. And it starts right here with the cabin features that we brought into this home for those looking for a nice getaway when they're in their tiny home. And it starts right here with all the windows and the natural light coming in. We did a nice atrium door to open up into the front porch. You can also see through your windows up above the nice mahogany stained exterior of this home, giving it the nice cabin look, and that complements the nice cedar accent on the ceiling. This goes throughout the home, and we also did that with a nice chair rail going throughout the living area and throughout the home as well, bringing that cabin style to you. It's a great feature, and you'll see we also went with the brown wood blinds. Guys, a nice accent, nice features, the small touches that make the big difference, guys. What I like about it is the abundance of countertop space. We're from the living area going into, this could be your dining area. You put a nice little table right here or across, but you got enough countertop space right here all the way around, guys. It just gives a nice feature. You see right here, we've got hickory cabinets staying with the nice cabin look, the nice wood styles. Guys, it is perfect. Enough storage right here for everything you need. We went with a nice Mosaic Backsplash from countertop to cabinet bottom. We go all the way up with this home right here. And you guys see right here, got the nice smooth top oven, got the nice microwave up above, staying with the countertop space. We can prep the Last Supper in here if we need to, guys, if it comes down to it. You got the nice farm sink right here, window up above. Again, more storage space. And what I like about it is that you can get a side-by-side refrigerator right over here in the corner, making it convenient, out of the way. And also, if you want to talk about convenient, out of the way, you guys look right here. We've got your nice stackable washing machine and dryer, ready to go. That's how we say it in the South. Ready to go, ready to go. It's right there for you. But also, make a loop around right here, and you'll also see we've got the nice tiled shower for you guys. Look at that. Ooh, we've already set the mood for you. Don't you want to make a nice shower up in there? Get it nice and steamy. This is the place to do it at in the Timberline. And you guys follow me back right here. We're going to the master. Again, with the nice stained pine pocket door. Real wood, guys. You guys come through and you'll see we've already got the built-ins ready to go for you. The nice nightstands. So those scared of the dark, go ahead and install your little night light right there beside, and you're good to go. Got all your cabinets up above, again with the hickory style cabinets, windows, and the nice bay window right here on the back of the home, giving it a nice feature, and it even looks better from the outside, guys. You see right here, again, what we do here at RC, barn doors, guys. We are from the South, and we love the barn doors. Were you raised in a barn? I wasn't, but hey, you ain't got to remember to close the door, because guess what? It'll slide back in no time. You guys look right here. We got the nice built-in drawers. Got the nice space up above for the TV as well. And we also did the Mosaic Backsplash. Who's doing that in their bedroom? In your bedroom, guys, Mosaic Backsplash. We did. But guess what? You guys follow me right there. It doesn't stop at all. You thought this was it with the Timberline? Let's take it up a notch. Do we need an elevator to install in this? Hey, it might be on the next episode. But you guys follow me up to the loft. And now we're up in the loft of the Platinum Timberline. What makes this so great is that you'll see you got more than enough loft space up here, but you didn't sacrifice it with the height of your bedroom. You still get the tall ceilings with this loft being in the center of the floor plan. A great accent, great feature to this home. Gives a nice little space for guests, for the kids to come up here and play. Hey, you need to put them in timeout? Go upstairs. That's where you can do it at, guys. You got plenty of natural light coming in with the windows right here around. Got the nice TV jack, so when they get out of timeout, they can hook their game system up and play and have a good day. But also, we got the nice railing here as well, real wood railing, and it opens up into the living area. This is a great floor plan, great loft this is the home that you need to make your next tiny home. So you come to RRC Rockwall, you ask for me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, ask how you can get the timberline, and I promise to deliver a price that you can't refuse. And guys, we'll see you next week on Tiny Home Tuesday. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos, and see you next week.